Hey, my Cozy Nest friends, on this episode of Cabin versus the Deep Freeze, we have some windows that we need to put some insulation around. So we bought some air-conditioned foam from Amazon that is just the right size. It's like an inch square that's going to fit right in that crease. And so we're going to do that, and then we're going to have to finish it off somehow, but baby steps, right? So the first step is to put all of this foam in the crack. So let's see how well it's going to go in. Just easy. So some stays, some doesn't quite want to stay, so we might have to put something in there to keep the foam in. Cut some. Almost took 3 rolls to do the one window. Almost done. Okay, now we are filling some more gaps.
And this is has to do more with airflow versus bats. The one we did on back was truly for bats, but this should help cut down on the bugs. What do you think, hun?
I hope so.
Yeah, we can hope. And man, some of these gaps, look at that. I don't know if they go all the way into the cabin, but we're just nervous enough about it. Spray foam might have been the right answer. I'm going to use this hole. I don't know if we have enough to do the windows. So right here, we're getting, we had somebody point out in one of our videos that they could see sunlight through the cabin. I think I filled it. Michelle's going to go in and say, yep, that's the one, or nope, there's a different one. Let's go see what she can find out. You know which one I'm talking about in there, right?
Yep. Let's see. Don't think I can see daylight anymore, so that's a win. So now back to what we were doing, was sealing the windows. I thought it's important that we needed to make sure to seal the outside and the inside to give us the best chance to not freeze.
Michelle, how's it going?
Good. So sometimes we get a little excited and start projects before we're really ready. So I just kind of gave you a preview of how it's going to fit in there. Then we took it all back out and made sure to seal it around the edges. And then another fun fact is that if you empty the whole box, you find things. And we found these fun little stickers that help keep the foam in. So it's very helpful. You don't need to stick them on all the things, but just every so often stick it there so it stays on. It's double stick tape. Making progress. 1 window down, 3 more to go. One step closer to the cabin winning than the deep freeze. Stay tuned to see if we make it or if we pack our bags. You got this.